Step 2. Decide on the format and content. In this step, you will decide on the format and content of your book. This includes the size, number of pages, and type of paper. You can also include prompts, quotes, or illustrations to enhance the user's experience. For our case, we will use the same format and content of the chosen composition book, which is 7.5 inches by 9.25 inches 200 wide-line pages. Now that we know the exact format of our composition book, we will have to get a template of the cover book that we will be creating. To do so, we search KDP Book Size Calculator on Google. It will ask us to give some information about the book we want to create. For the binding type we choose paperback, for the interior type choose black and white. For the paper type choose white paper. For page turn direction choose left to right. For measurements unit choose inches. For interior trim size choose 7.5 by 9.25 inch. For page count choose 200 pages. Then, hit Calculate Dimensions. As a result, we got a 7.5 by 9.25 inch cover book template that we can download and use to design the cover. The most important information here is the dimensions of the full cover that we see on the top. Those dimensions are 15.7 inches by 9.5 inches.